Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to talk about the Microsoft Edge browser. So, of course, Microsoft had issued now more than a year ago the official version of Microsoft Edge Stable, which is the version of Edge for everybody. And of course, one of the things that was happening with that is that slowly some of you were actually getting this through Windows Update. It was not totally replacing the old legacy Edge browser. It was just kind of taking its place, but making sure that it's more difficult to find the original legacy Edge, which was still there. Well, now Microsoft has issued a timeline. So if you are still using the legacy Edge, you will actually have this removed in April. So the timeline is that, first of all, legacy Edge is going to be end of support in March. So when you get the March patch Tuesday, there will be no more updates for the old original browser of Edge. And if you still have it and still use it in April 13th, when there's going to be a patch Tuesday, the Microsoft Edge browser, legacy browser, is going to be completely removed from your system, and you will have automatically a replacement with the new Edge stable version, the new Edge Chromium version. So that's what's going to happen now. So if you haven't already seen the Edge, the new Edge Chromium browser on your PC, in the next few months, this is all going to change, as the old Edge is going to be removed. And frankly, it's all right, because the old Edge, it's not been updated in anything and is starting to have a lot of compatibility problems with many websites. The Edge Chromium browser is a lot better, and because it's based itself on the Chromium open source project, also works really, really well with all the standards on the web. So soon to be completely removed is the legacy Edge browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.